Hello, I'm gonna show you what we will do before, during, and after the earthquake. Okay, let's go. Before the earthquake. First, listen to the radio news.
Ready ka ba sa lindol? Matutong gumamit ng fire extinguisher, first aid kit at alamin ang mga emergency exits. Habang lumilindol, tumayo sa ilalim ng hamba ng pintuan o magtago sa ilalim ng matibay na mesa.
Prepare foods. Ready to eat canned foods. Pancit canton and noodles. Water. Flashlight and phone. On to listen to the news. During the earthquake, do the 3 steps: duck, cover, and hold. After the earthquake, go to a safe place. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy.